Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. We're going to talk today, as you can see in the title here, about mindset and about how your mindset can affect your health and your fitness goals. Before we get started, please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button here, the like button here, and also click that little bell next to the subscribe button. That will let you know when I have new content ready for you to watch. Let's talk about mindset and how it affects your health and your fitness goals. And I'm also going to give you 3 practical tips that you can use to improve your mindset and fix your mindset if you have a negative mindset towards health and fitness. The first thing we're going to do is delve into the definition of mindset. The established set of attitudes held by someone. Mindset is the established set of attitudes held by someone. So whatever your established attitude is towards health, fitness, and wellness, that's going to determine whether or not you succeed in health, fitness, and wellness, and you achieve your goals. Because that's what we want. We want you to achieve your goals, become healthy, become strong. So the first thing you need to do to improve your mindset, you have to identify what your mindset is towards health, fitness, working out, and all that good stuff. So for example, let's say that you know you need to meal prep, work out, and hydrate. But when you think of those things, you think of them as big tasks, impossible things to do. You almost look at them as being a second job. That means that you need to examine that, identify that, and just know that that's where your mindset is. So the first thing you have to do to improve your mindset is identify where your mindset is. What is your mindset towards health and fitness, working out, getting healthy, learning about nutrition? Where is your mindset now with that? The second thing you need to do is work at changing that mindset. It could take a day, it could take a week, it could take a month, it could take longer than that, depending on how motivated you are to make that change. One of the ways you can help yourself make that change is by looking at the fitness goals, your health goals, and looking at those things as things that are good for you. So if you currently look at something like working out as another job, a task, or something that you have to do, change that in your mind as that is something that will help you. The working out is something that will make you healthier, make you feel better, give you more energy. That's how you shift the mindset over. If you look at something like learning about nutrition and meal prep, when you hear those two things and you think something negative or you think it's something that you don't have time for, you have to change your mindset to say, those two things are things that are going to really help me achieve my fitness goal. Number 3, this is the most important part. The third part to successfully changing your mindset is setting realistic goals. I talk about this all the time in all my videos. Set realistic goals, set attainable goals. So in other words, if working out just isn't really your thing and you're really trying to make it part of your lifestyle, start with really small steps. Literally, start with going out your front door, walking up to your stop sign, and coming back. If that's all you can get in, start there. If you can't get out of your house for some reason, walk around in your apartment or walk around in your house. Do whatever it takes to get moving. Do some planks in between the commercials when you're watching TV, because I know you are. Do something in between those things. Set realistic goals, and each week, each day, each month, add a little bit more to those small goals. That's how you make big changes, by starting small. All right, so we're going to wrap this up now. So once you determine where your mindset is towards your health and fitness, take those 3 steps to make improvements. The first thing is identifying what your mindset is. Where's your mind when it comes to health and fitness? How do you see health and fitness? Once you determine what that is, the next thing to do is to make improvements to your mindset by attaching positive outcomes to health and fitness. So remember, if you see health and fitness or working out as a task or a job that you don't want to do, try to remind yourself that these are things that are good for you. And the third thing is set realistic goals. Set attainable goals. Don't try to set a goal to bench press 600 pounds if you haven't worked out in years. Don't set a goal to run a marathon next week if you haven't run in a long time. Set realistic goals. Start with a 10-minute walk. Start with a 15-second plank. Start with 1 squat a day, 1 push-up a day. Whatever you can do, start small, build from there, and it will get better. Hope this has been informative. Hope you have a nice day. Subscribe, like, hit the notification button. Stay tuned for more updates.